it just never ends with anybody else's luck but mine. Trying to do something on your truck, and while doing something on your truck, something else goes bad. I figure, you know what? Truck's been sitting for a little bit on jack stands. Let me just start it up, let it run, let the batteries charge. All right, and then shut it off. I'll go back to working on the brake conversion, and this thing is screaming. Obviously shut it down, and here we go. This thing is locked up. So let's turn another negative into a positive. We will be doing the CS144 upgrade. We'll be converting the alternator to 145 amps because more power. Why not? Don't forget to go out and vote. Today is National IQ Test Day for us. Later.